In this video, I want to walk you through a quick reset for the sciatic nerve, that nerve that travels down the back of the butt, through the back of the leg, and often can cause radiating or nerve tingling down all the way into the foot. Sciatica can be caused by many things, but often it's from a tight piriformis that presses against the nerve. So we're going to do a little flossing. It may not feel like a lot, but we're trying to get to that nerve to run where we want it to. So you're going to come down onto your back. You don't need any props, just yourself and a comfortable place to land. You're going to bring the left leg in towards the chest. You're going to hold on to the back of the leg. And you'll extend the leg up towards the ceiling and point through the toes and let that leg fall heavy into the hands. Then you'll bend the knee, pull the toes back towards you, and draw that thigh in towards the chest. Okay, so again, you extend the leg and point. You let that leg fall heavy into the hands. And then bend the knee, flex the ankle, pull the thigh in towards you. Extending and pointing. Leg moves forward. Bending and flexing, give it a little squeeze. Hit 2 more. Extend and point. Bend and flex. And last one, extending and pointing. Bending and flexing. And then set the foot down. Pause. And then we'll switch sides. You'll bring that right leg in, hold on to the back of the thigh, extend the leg and point. Heavy leg. Then bend the knee, flex the ankle, and pull the thigh in. And 4 more, extending and pointing. Bending and flexing. Extending and pointing. Bending and flexing. Last 2. Last one. And set that right foot back down. Knock the knees in. Let them rest. Take a few breaths and then move on with the rest of your day.